Grabe.
1 year lang ha.
Kaya nga eh.
Graduate.
Si Beck parang hindi marunong magalit eh.
Hoy! May galing lang ako nagagalit.
Swerte mo kami.
Nagkatibayan, nagkatibayan.
Hey, Lucas, does you have angry?
Wala.
Actually. Surely kayo na. Surely kayo. I think, is it because of you? No? Is it just you? Your mom is really cool. Just all good wishes to you back and more blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Sabihin ko sa'yo. I think everyone knows how Beck, one of the coolest friends that everyone has.
Anyone waiting for another coffee?
I think everyone knows that.
Tito, we got coffee.
But if you know Beck deep inside, you know how.
Parang nakamute ah. Na-mute ba? Nakamute?
Na-mute.
I think everyone can testify how Beck, that's what I said a while ago, is a family-centered. You know, she always look after the family first, more than herself. And just continue to be under there, you know. Thank you for all the friendship that we have. I know low profile family na friendship natin, but that's what makes it, you know. Sa ating dalawa.
Naiiyak na si
Thank you
Mapang.
for listening.
Naiiyak ka na rin.
And I'm always here for you. I love you, Beck.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Day back, you're beautiful inside and out.
Aww.
And you're like an open book. You see, what you see is what you get. I love you as a daughter. I didn't have any daughter, but I was compensated with your arrival. I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ate. Love you.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Janet. And
one message for you is always stay bubbly because of how you always are. You're always outgoing and always so loud in the party, especially with Tita Pearl, who's the loudest.
Huli.
We're louder. Tita Pearl is the loudest.
Kasi yun, nagpipicture si Tita Pearl mo, hindi nakikinig.
Tita Beck though is louder, but you are the loudest.
Kasali pala.
Ako, and if you ever need any
Lahat dito sa
your family man or laptop,
Natol.
You'll do it for me.
yeah, I'll do it for you. So no worries, and I'll always be there to help you out.
Thank you.
Do you want us to cupcake for you?
Kanta ka na. Happy birthday.
Thank you for being one of my second moms. Always very good for you, always being there, and you're very talented. You always be my dad. Yeah.
Thank you.
we've known you know, like, something 10 years and treat us like family, like your family's our family. And just to put it into words, why we're here today, we're travelling from Philippines. Someone stood us with, we wouldn't miss this for the world. We appreciate whatever you and Gary does with us. And of course the boys, she treats us their nanny.
It's okay, I just play back to ate. I just play back to ate.
But no, we wouldn't miss this for the world. But you two both special to us. Same with the boys, you know. We treat them like our own and whatever. Believe it or not. She'll wake up soon.
I'm sure. Thank
That's
you.
jet lag for you.
Makwento na niya sa akin ang kwento. Ano yung gusto niyo magkwento?
Paikutin mo kasi. May baka mamaya. Sila to
Nung unang dumating yung mga anak ko rito, nasa loob ng district sa citizen. Sabi ni AJ sa akin, who's that guy? Oh, that's like I take her. She's a nice girl. She's nice to street. He's still in high school.
Aso na kayo lang balik sa high school?
Sally.
Ang dami nagsasabihin.
Eh, iniiwas eh.
Pababalikin ka niya.
So,
Elevated lang ha.
I think, if I can remember, tatlo kayo una kong nakilala when you first arrived. Yourself, Melanie, and Emma. And from that day, we know from our hearts that you'll be one of our family. As what Bert said, turn to be one of the sisters. So, yung friendship and sisterhood namin ni Beck became more deeper when she and Gary became my household head. And you're right, Gary. You know, my only wish for you is to go back to service because you never realize that wherever I am at the moment in the service, and it's all because of the two of you. And I will love you for that. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Youngest.
Oh, dati kayo yung nag-aanak sa binyag. Nag-aanak ka ng binyag, di ba?
Sabi ko nga po, thank you kasi for the first time, ako yung pinakabata sa party. Yay! Walang dumatang sa akin ng ate. Ano po, happy birthday to my ate Beth, turn Ninang Beth. Ano ba tayo na-start natin? Parang with the kids, with Ninang Jedel, raising teenager boys, nagkaka-relate sa isa't isa. So thank you po for the advice on raising our kids. And then at the same time, hindi lang ako tumatakbo din pag may mga, I wouldn't say marriage problems, but more on marriage advices. So marami siyang wisdom na sinishare regarding their relationship na pwede namin yun.
Ay, plato na sa Google. Dapat. Ilang miles ang nilalakad mo? Kaya mo ba lakarin yung ulaan mo?
Sabi na, dalawang isa niya yun. So sabi lang niya, tibayan ng loob.
Tibayan mo yung lagyan mo, sapatos mo.
So yun po, nakakasama si Ninang sa mga pagsundo, pag may mga lasing na dapat sunduin. Very recent lang yun. So thank you Ninang and Ninong actually.
May tinamaan pa.
Hindi naman nilalagay sa inyo.
Nag-name pa.
Pero hindi aside po, all the wisdoms that you share with us para sa marriage namin has been helping us get through the whatever rough patch. And you always say patience is a virtue. So nakakabaan ko naman ang pasensya, thanks to you lang. So pag medyo ano na ako, go to Ninang na lang. Then afterwards, happy days, and then may bago pang mga Filipino food na pinapanood. So, but Ninang, thank you so much for introducing me to your friends as well.
Kaya to 20 years na, no?
Yes, thank you very much, Ninang.
Ilan mo rin ah.
Happy 50th birthday, you're aging like, as old cliche says, you're aging like a fine wine. Yeah.
Sabi naman na kaya ako dito binigay ko mic.
Live yan, live.
Are you mystifying? Look, I'm so beautiful.
Pakita mo bro, pakita mo. Bro, pakita mo. Imported.
Message ka naman.
Love you too.
Pwede ba?
11 bata dito. Message para tayo.
Unforgettable memory.
Just one more, memorable memory.
Thank you. Miss you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Before you came up. Yes, I will tell you the story.
Yan na.
When I finish, you need na.
Hindi na lang yung battery ko.
I'll cut the story short. Well, happy birthday, Beck. Happy 50th. Welcome to the golden age. Welcome to the club. And you know, life is not for 50. Thank you for knowing you. We've known each other before we came up here. We've been calling from Bernardino Hospital. And one day she received a call from the agency coming to Norwich, and she inquired, how will you apply there? I said, I don't think so. You better apply now. Yeah, but I cannot leave Gary. I cannot leave behind. But I said, this is the perfect time. Now that you're not married yet, and no kids yet, you better apply. And she applied. And then we got, thank you for our friendship. I know we have ups and downs, good ones, bad ones, but boring love of puro positive. But our friendship is always there. And happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you,
We love you.
Thank you.
Oh God, how many am I?
I've known you for 24 years. I can take you back now to when you first arrived and you was much younger and more naive. I had strangest text message ever from a lady. Mike, what's a hard on? Remember that?
What's the hard one?
I had to explain to you what a hard on was. Of course I read it, and of course I know what it is. Unfortunately, you didn't at the time. So, happy days. We went to France together, and that's treasures more than anything. You're a very lovely, beautiful woman, and I love you.
Thank you.
Nice.
Next.
Before that, I am your godmother, your wedding.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, yes.
Kurt as well, so double trouble.
Who's next? So you can know me from work. Unahan, sila kayo. Kailangan mo, hindi kita mo yun.
Hi Maria, happy birthday. I've known you for how many years? We worked in Edgefield for 10 years, and now we're back together being a specialist in neurology. So I sure enjoyed it together. I feel bored with Marisa then.
Magaling pumili ng tatanungin siya. Kaya nga eh.
And Maria, I
Siyempre, nung sabihin mo.
you're hardworking.
Yari siya.
Continue your collagen.
Ano ba yun?
It's nice. Happy birthday, Maria.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm
Woman.
Great.
Ito maganda sasabihin ito sa akin. Ito yung magandang sasabihin.
Lumayo ka agad kay Dennis.
Okay, everyone knows that obviously we knew Beck since we came over, and that's gonna be nearly 25 years. And since then, we are family, turned into family. A good friend who's turned into family. We've been through ups and downs. I know Beck, masyado siya madrama sa buhay.
Correct.
Second demotion.
Parang contrary yun sa sinabi nyo kanina ng fan.
But then, she's so funny, she's so caring friend, and she will do miles for you. And I'm a testament for that. With everything that happens in my family, lahat yan. Ika nga, you can count on her. Diba? O, Chong, dapat yun yung kanta natin. So, happy birthday. I know that it's just a number. Getting 50, sabi nila, wiser daw at saka more wisdom. Sana lang. Sana lang. Huwag ka naman.
Saka hot flashes.
Dapat malakas ang wifi. I love you so much. And you know naman, without saying it. Okay? Happy birthday.
Thank you. Trivia.